Desktop semi-automatic filling and stoppering machine. 1. Pre-startup check. Check the overall condition of the equipment and ensure all components are intact. Verify that the fixtures are installed correctly. Check whether the filling needle and stoppering rod are properly aligned and free from deformation. Inspect the filling tubing for damage or aging and confirm correct installation. 2. Startup. Connect the power supply. Log into the system. Switch to manual mode. In manual mode, purge the liquid line. Select the required recipe and confirm the correct recipe is chosen. Initialize the equipment in manual mode. In manual mode, hold the Initialize button for 3 seconds until you hear 3 beeps. Initialization completed. Switch to automatic mode. Place the cartridge into the fixture. Press the start button to begin filling. Place the filled cartridge into the stoppering fixture. Start stoppering and complete the process. Emergency stop. Press the emergency stop button to immediately stop the equipment. The buzzer will sound and the alarm light will flash. Emergency stop recovery. Emergency stop button. Pop-up rotation. Ensure the equipment is in manual mode. Press the reset button to stop the buzzer. Press and hold the initialize button for 3 seconds. 3 beeps indicate initialization is complete. Switch the equipment to automatic mode to resume operation. 3. Replacement of components. Filling needle. Open the peristaltic pump clamp. Remove the O-shaped tubing from the pump. Remove the straight tubing from the retaining clip. Loosen the handle, remove the filling needle, and disconnect the straight tubing from the drug inlet side. Prepare a new filling needle and tubing assembly. Insert the filling needle and gently tighten the handle. Secure the straight tubing with the retaining clip. Position the O-shaped tubing onto the screws on both sides of the peristaltic pump, close the clamp, and lock it in place. Stoppering rod tip. Removal. Rotate the stoppering rod tip clockwise until it is removed. Installation. Install a new stoppering rod tip and tighten it counterclockwise until secure. Vacuum module assembly. Removal 1. Rotate the thumb screw counterclockwise to remove the vacuum module. 2. Press the air tube fitting and disconnect the air tube. Installation 1. Prepare a new vacuum module assembly. 2. Connect the air tube. 3. Tighten the thumb screw clockwise to secure the module and complete installation.